side of the F40, but bro, that car is so beautiful. Climb car, which looks like an F1 car. Oh, look at the carbon, bro. Yo, what's up? Just a check in before the video probably starts. Sorry about the audio quality in this video because you know, the NEC, the place where we are at, is quite a loud place. There's a lot of people talking, a lot of stuff going on. You should still be able to hear my voice, but like there's a lot of like audio and stuff in the background, so my bad about that. But I hope you still enjoy the video. This is the craziest like car thing I've been to, the craziest like cars there I've ever seen, so hope you enjoy the video. Get into it. Bro, look, we found an F40. I said there'd be an F40 here. This is an incredible bit of engineering. My words can't even do it justice. It says the engine in it. It looks so nice. And then this is a what, 3.5, I don't know what it is, I forgot. But that is absolutely beautiful. Ferrari F40, classic supercar. First car to reach 200 miles an hour, I think. Beautiful. There's a front, well, side of the F40, but bro, that car is so beautiful. That's probably my favorite classic. F40. Proper. Let me go around. Proper history. You can pause and read that if you want. Wow. I'm mesmerized. I am mesmerized. Wow. One car which looks like an F1 car. Oh, look at the carbon, bro. Exposed wheels. I don't know if I'm allowed behind it, but look at the cockpit. It's very tight cockpit position. You can see the exhaust and everything. Look at that. It's like DR. Bro, this is like an F1 car for hill climb or something. This is a better of one. Whatever it was at, better of one. Look at that. Logos. The Nova RSR. That is absolutely immaculate. M600s. They're on Top Gear as well. I think it's savage. Like just driving it as a savage car. You can see the wing. Look at that. This is really cool. Carbon in the flipping headlight. It's. You can read that if you want. Also, carbon fiber body. That's full carbon fiber. Yeah, but like what cars are you just painted over. Look at that. Nice. And that is also absolutely nice. Absolutely nice. It really makes sense. Jaguar prototype. Look at that. Prototype. Never got released. Is that carbon? That's carbon fiber. There's a lot of cars with carbon here today. It's got a little hole over there which I'm going to see a photo through, but for your window. That wheel on the back is so deep. There's the heart of the beast. XGR. There's the inside. It's got little windows, a low window, that's it. These two are one of 8 in the world, these two. So 6 somewhere else. That's a Le Mans winners, Mr. Bell, I forgot his first name, sorry, but I know his second name, Bell, on the number plate. He had as a company car since like the 60s, or no, 80s, my god. And he hadn't got rid of it, he's still got it. It's worth like $1 million, this is worth like 250,000. And this came from Saudi Arabia. And then it got obviously built back up as owned by a prince before that. Which is really cool. And then this one's the one which is owned by Le Mans winner. There's kind of history. Read it. Well, this is a very special car. Very special because of the history of it. These are 2 of 8 which aren't like used for racing. That you could put a pipe in there to help the gearbox or something. I kind of forgot, but these are very special. A Lamborghini Murcielago, probably my second dream Lambo behind the Aventador. It's kind of surreal to see one of these. There you go, there's a bit of stats on it for you guys. It's unfortunately not manual because that'd be insane if it was a manual. It's an auto, but you can see the V12. Probably one of the best sounding cars in the world, arguably. Different firing order from the Aventador, so it sounds different. There you go. There's the engine on it. Holy moly. That's a mercy log. If I could sit in there, I would, but I can't sit in there. Not my car, obviously. I don't know if I'm allowed to be here, but I'm here, so that is what it is. Look at that. It's got, I have the flash on by accident. It's got firing. I don't know if you can read that on the video, but full carbon. That is the heart of the beast. That is an engine. That's different, bro. Sorry I spent so long looking at this, but it's just a sick car. Sick car. I'm looking at an old Charger from the 1970s. Look at that big block V8, bro. Big as heck. And those like headlights covers come up. Look at that. There's the Countach's V12 engine. Such a cool car. Sorry if you saw the flash. That was me. Such a cool car. Mate, it's an Escort, another Escort RS Cosworth. How come I'm allowed to read? It's got that red. Oh, it's the hazards. I never knew that. Fab. Talk about beautiful car, bro. I love the old Fords. That's why there's probably so many in this video. But oh man, display vehicle. This looks so nuts with the spoiler. The spoiler looks absolutely insane. Have a look at that. And Supras with a 2JZ 700 brake. They're always running so quick. Look at that turbo. Almost the size of my damn head. Look at that. The turbo's the size of my damn head. How much horsepower? It's got massive turbos. 2J. Bunch of information there. Oh, it's got 815 horsepower. It says that.
Yeah, but the wheels 600.
There's another one there. It's got paddles. I think. I don't know if that's to show, but the exhaust on that. Look at that. Lovely neck. These two are very cool, very nice specs. Oh, some RX-7s we'll have a look at now. RX-7. This one's very clean. Rotary engines, bro. Sick, to be fair. I'm just going down. Oh, it's got gold wheels on it. Boxer engine.